Hi, I'm James from Flawless Physio. I specialise in knee, foot and ankle conditions, including the creation of custom insoles. Today I want to talk to you about the best off-the-shelf solutions from Amazon for calcaneal fat pad atrophy. So the first insole that I'd recommend is the Flawless insole. As you can see, there's extra padding underneath the heel cup and there is a deep heel cup, so when you apply pressure to it, this extra padding pushes up underneath the heel bone to give extra protection to that calcaneal fat pad atrophy. There's a relatively high medial arch support. On this model there's a metatarsal dome, but in the description below I've linked a Flawless insole without the metatarsal dome, but it does have the heel cup and the arch support. The second insole that I'd recommend from Amazon for calcaneal fat pad atrophy is the Dr. Scholl's insole. The reason for this is it's got a padded undersole and it's got a thicker heel cup. So the thicker heel cup combined with the padded insole helps give stability to that calcaneus, and it adds that extra padding that you're missing from underneath your heel bone when you've got fat pad atrophy. When you put this inside a narrower trainer, it bunches up a little bit, and that helps give an extra bit of stability to the foot, helping to control pronation moments. And it's got cushion throughout the insole, so for those of you with fat pad atrophy underneath the calcaneus and underneath the metatarsal heads, there's some adequate cushioning on the forefoot and on the heel. If you try off-the-shelf insoles and there's minimal improvement in your symptoms, other treatment methods such as taping and custom insoles can be more beneficial to you. We offer these services at Flawless Physio, so if you've got any questions, leave a message in the comment section below or get in touch with us at flawlessphysio.co.uk.